Hello friends, first of all Merry Christmas, and today on the occasion of a Christmas I bought something which was reminding me the school days and that I want to share with you guys. So today I am unboxing this. So this is an alarm clock which I bought from here, and as you have seen it is a very cute and the old days type, and today we will check it out how it sounds and what, and I want to share this video with you. Keep watching until the end of the video to get it, know how it works. So let's put the cell into this. So this requires only one cell, and it is the bigger one, not the smallest one as we have seen for the remotes, a little bit bigger one. So I put it here, and as you have seen it started. The time now, it's 8:10. So as you have seen, this is two knobs, one is for the clock and one is for alarm. I am changing it now to the present time, that is 8:10, and it's working. And let's check how the alarm rings and sounds. If I put it here, and there is a button for on and off of alarm, and I'll put it on. There is one additional thing, an accessory for the light. In the night time as you are sleeping and you don't know how much what is the time, and for seeing the time you just need to press this and it will be like that. So I will show you in the in the dark. So now you can see how it looks. So you just need to hold it, and after that, once you have seen the time, just release. So now I am closing this one, and this is I have bought for my Christmas, as my Christmas gift, and it cost 269 baht here in Thailand. So if you really like it, buy it today. It will be available here in Thailand. From where I have bought it is from Robinson, Prachinburi. So you can go look and you can buy them. Thank you for watching our video. Keep like, comment and subscribe us. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.